80% of graduates today in Nigeria are products of examination malpractices and courtesy of the parents. The parents are the ones championing this evil act. The parents do it. They know that malpractices is taking place. Then apart from that, they finance the malpractices. In some school today, before you do your SSC examination with the WAEC or NECO, there are some fees you pay, especially for examination malpractices. If you don't pay them, you'll be locked up in a room yourself. So the average student has to go for it, because the average student knows that if there are people that are not as clever are going to do that and pass the examination, well, remember the saying, if you can't beat them, join the backward, join them. So this is exactly what is happening. The parents are part of these examination malpractices. Then when you come to higher institution, it is even worse there. So far, the lecturers know that so far they don't allow you to get first class or second class. They are ready to take anything. If your results are very bad and they know you will fail, they will simply take money from the student and then make him to pass or make him to have third class. That's why some students today, some graduates today, cannot even spell their names. Not to talk about talking about the profession they went to study. Then also the professors or the lecturers, they are a part of this examination malpractices too. They will just knock together some notes and they call it a book and they sell it to the students. And when the students don't buy it, you fail the examination. Think about it. If they knock a book like that together and they say it's 10,000 naira, and the lecturer in charge of 1,000 students, you know how much that's going to bring to the lecturer. The lecturers, of course, they do this too because their income is very meager. And for them to ride the car they are riding and live their lifestyle, they are part of this examination malpractices. This is the problem of Nigeria today. That is why you discover that nothing is working, because people that are in position, they are not knowledgeable, don't have single knowledge of what they are doing. These are the graduates that rule. These are the people we send to Central Bank, send to NNPC, and others. Parents are behind it. They want their children to pass by all means. And the situation in Nigeria today is because the graduates produced in Nigeria today, they are product of examination malpractices. Please share this. I want to hear your comment. Like it and watch Highlight TV.